these surveys and we are having $50 67 cents. This money in this screenshot was made with surveys, doing surveys online. You don't need to sell, you don't need to buy anything. All what you need to do is to do surveys online, respond to some taxes online, and earn your own money whenever you complete the taxes online, and which I'm going to show you guys how you can do it in this video. So kindly watch these videos to the end and don't miss any part of it, and don't forget to share it with others if these videos was very helpful, right? You don't need to spend any dime online before you start making it from this online space. So this is the first app that I'm going to show you guys right now. You see Prime Opinion, and if you check on these things, they make payments. You can make withdrawal with international paper, or you make withdrawal with your bank transfer direct if you stay in Africa. Okay, so if you have paper, you can use it. If you have bank account, you can use it, and they are available on Apple Store and Play Store. Okay, this app is legit, right? So you can see on their screen that get paid for taking free surveys. You don't need to make payment on this platform before you start making money. All what you need to do is to start doing your own surveys, right? So you can come up here, you see earn up to $5 per survey. Okay, they don't promise you $20, $50. So yeah, earn up to $5 per survey. There is a survey that you can earn up to $50 on this particular website, which I'm going to show you. All right, I'm going to show you guys, and then you can see that the average user earned $11 yesterday. And okay, right now let me show you my account because I have account with this platform, right? So let me just log in into my account. Okay, if you can just sign up using your Google, your Facebook, or your Apple if you are using iPhone, right? So I'm just signing up with, I'm going to sign in with my Google account right now. Yeah, guys, I just logged in into my account, and you can see on my balance I have 100 points on my balance, which is $1. That's the total amount that I have currently now on this account. And if you see 100 points is equal to $1, right? And you can see the first things that I see right here, I have best game and I have my game, and you can take other feature surveys, right? But there is only games available right now. That is too much that is available right now. And you can see on the first game it says 369 points. That means that if you do this survey and you complete this survey, you are going to have $6.69. Right, and you can see the next one, you are going to have $10.20, right? So and so on and so on right here. Let me just show you the one that you can do to make $50 that I promise you in these videos, right? So if you come down right here, you see the exact golden stack. These games, all what you need to do is to play this game and complete these surveys, and we are having $50 67 cents for this particular game. So that is how this website is, and that is how it works. So what you need to do is that once you have the limit of the amount that you want to withdraw, just go to your account, then claim the reward, right? Claim the reward and withdraw the money into your bank account. This is the second website that I'm going to show you right now, and you see that you can complete surveys anytime that you like. You can work anytime, any day that you like, and earn up to $5 on this particular website too. But the funniest part is that you cannot access this website if you stay in Africa, and there is a way for you to use this particular platform. If you want to learn, go to the comment section, then type 5 surveys in the comment section, which I will show you and give you the tools you need to start with this survey. But this is the best surveys that you can start with because they are foreign company that you can join and start doing surveys with them, right? So let me show you so that I can know I'm not lying about this. Let me just click on it for it to load and see access denied. Okay, access denied because I stay in Nigeria, so that means that this is access denied. So sorry, your country is not supported, right? So I don't have access to it, but I can still show you guys how to use this particular platform and you start making something from it, right? So let me show you the third website on my list, right? This one is called eCash, right? You can use this one in Africa or anywhere in the country, right? You can use this one. They have their app on Apple Store and Play Store. You can go to Apple Store and Play Store to download this website, right? So download the application, and you can see these are the surveys that they have. They say play games. So their money starts from 50 cents to $120 for you to play games. And then if you take survey is up to 50 cents to $6, right? And then if you complete some offers, their offers is limited to $1. That means that the minimum you can get from offers is $1. So the maximum is $75. So you can see They partner with Apple, Amazon, Visa. If you want to exchange your money into gift card, so extra income made easily, so you can earn up to $50 per day. That's a guarantee for you on this particular website right now. And you can see these are the games that they have. All what you need to do is to click on the sign in right here, and then you sign up with email, or you use your Google or your Apple ID to log in into this website right now. So thank you for watching these videos. If this video is helpful, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that I don't miss any part of the video that I'll be dropping next.